Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name is Dez here, Grok Trade on Monday, July 9th, 2012. Well, Wall Street sees the third day in the red. We have the Dow down 36 points, down 0.28%, the S&P down 0.16%, the Nasdaq down 0.2%, 0.3% in the red here on the Russells. The banks down 0.6%, leading the broad markets southbound. And the VIX up quite a bit here, up 5.7%, which is the fear indicator, now above 18. Gold up 0.2%, silver up 0.9%, and crude oil up 1.84%. US dollar down a fraction, down 0.31%, which was interesting to see the dollar down and the markets down also. I don't like the fact that the banks are still leading to the downside, and that's where we're at. I made the decision to keep my shorts intact. However, I was inches away from taking those off and also putting on some longs, but I foresee tomorrow, if we do make a new high higher than today, meaning that we get over 1354 right here, that I might be looking to add some long positions on. We have a nice little bull pullback with a hammer, and we could get some nice upside potential. We do have a little bit of resistance that we'll deal with here, 1358 being one level, and then this swing high up here, which puts us around 1374, 1375, which happens to be about the place where this major trend line coming down would be. So that would certainly be a target, but we really need to get past that to get to this upper line. And if we do, you'll notice that if we bounce up here, we'll just be in the confines of this rising wedge. Just be careful that rising wedges are more bearish than they are bullish. And you can see that at the chart school at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. That should help you out. We officially kick off the season for earnings. And right now the sentiment out there is that don't be too excited about earnings coming out this quarter, but they said that last quarter and the earnings were fairly good and we had a nice little rally. We don't want to make judgment calls before we see what actually happens. Remember, let the charts do the talking, get your opinions out of it. We did have consumer confidence come out last week, and it does show a pretty good drop in consumer confidence. And there's data out now saying that China's economy has flatlined, that the growth that it's been seeing is now stalled. Gold right now is at 1588 an ounce. This is GLD right here, so a sideways move. And we have oil at 85.70. As far as news is concerned, tomorrow we have nothing coming out, but on Wednesday we have trade balance, wholesale inventories, and we also have the Fed's minutes coming out on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, then Thursday initial claims, and then to round out the week here at the end we have the PPI coming out. It'd be interesting to see how inflation's coming out here. Here at finviz.com, looking here at the groups, and you'll see one-day performance, healthcare doing very good. That's a defensive sector or a defensive group, and for that to be bullish isn't the greatest of things. Financials right here in the middle, so that's better than being down there at the bottom for sure. For the week, healthcare only one in green, industrial goods down here at the bottom, financials up there in the upper part of this, so it needs to hang in there fairly strong for the month. Healthcare and financials both doing extremely well, so be watching financials like a hawk going into this. So we had a number of people sign up for the Wednesday's free webinar. You certainly don't want to miss that. Here at upcoming events, just click here and get registered for the psychological analysis. This is one of the best ones. You do not want that. You don't want to miss this one. A lot of you guys are sending me emails about being overseas. Don't worry about it. Just get registered. We'll make sure you get a recording. And probably tonight, be checking your email box. Anybody that's registered with us will be getting an email invite. So make sure you get registered here, and we'll get you taken care of. So take care and safe trading.